Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a affiliate marketing method that you can use using ebooks and be able to drive some heavy, lots of free targeted traffic to your Clickbank or Digistore 24 offers. We're going to be using those affiliate marketing products today. Particularly we'll be using the Clickbank product, but you can also do this with Digistore 24 as well. So if you'd like to learn how to do an affiliate marketing method here, which is 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the world, doesn't matter where you're at, as long as you've got internet connection and access to the internet, you can do this. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Clickbank. We're going to be using Clickbank. Now like I said, you can do this with Digistore 24 as well, but you can definitely use Clickbank. Now we're going to be using an ebook today in our method, so I've already picked a product here on Clickbank that has an ebook already to it. We're just going to put our affiliate links into the ebook, and it's very easy to do it with this particular product. Now you can do this with any product that you want. You can create an ebook or get an ebook in any niche that you want to use. Now there's all kinds of niches down here. As you can see, I'm in the self-help category or niche right now, and there's several sub niches that you can see underneath this as well, and you can use any one of these niches as you want, but just make sure that it has an ebook. If it doesn't, you can also come over here to plr.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, and you can choose any one of these free ebooks in every single niche that you can think of right here on the right side of this column right here. It's got every niche in the world that you can use and get free PLR articles, which are just the same as ebooks, and create your ebook with these. Or if you want to have your ebook created for you automatically, sounds kind of funny, doesn't it? But well, it is true. You can have your ebook created automatically in whatever niche that you want by using this particular product right here, guys. It's called Scribble, and you can see that it creates some really good ebooks, really nice looking professional ebooks, the fastest and easiest all-in-one software that creates jaw-dropping ebooks on demand. Now I told you a minute ago that it will do it automatically, although it sounds kind of funny. You can see right here it says add instant contact or content, and you know it says here if you don't have time to create content, just enter a URL and watch Scribble automatically fill your pages with fresh and ready-made content for your ebooks. And over here, and also they also have, you can fill your ebook with 100 or 1,000 instant niche articles that are already built within this particular product called Scribble, and you can make professional looking ebooks with information that you can get off of the internet automatically, and it'll create these ebooks for you. And you just imagine all you need to do is put your affiliate link into the ebook, which is really easy to do. So if you want to see Scribble tool, and you can click down there in the top of my description, and I've got a link for Scribble there. You can come over and check it out for yourself. Alrighty guys, and like I said, you can use plr.com. There's lots of other free PLR places you can use. This one here is copyright free. There's no worry about kind of copyright infringement or anything like that. Alright, so coming back here on Clickbank. Now like I said, I've already jumped ahead here a little bit and shows a product. I'm going to be using this one right here under self-help, and it's called His Secret Obsession. I'm getting this is in the relationship niche, or the self-help niche, relationship, and you can see that you can make an initial sales here of $55.42 per sale initially. And what you want to do is you can see the if we click on here, you can see the sales page for this. Just a video sales letter, really nice video sales letter, and it'll give the people a chance to buy this product that way as well. That's where you're going to be directing them to, and also you want to click on the affiliates link right here. If we open up the affiliate link, and you can see what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to that. Now this is where we're going to get our ebook for this product right here. So when you click on the affiliate link right there, like you see me do, it opens it up in another tab here. And what we want to do is we want to click on custom reports right here. And you see right here it says custom PDF reports. You just click on that, and as you can see right here, this pops up right here, and you can see you can earn up to $216 per customer total because they have upsells, guys. That's what that is. But the initial sales will be $55.42 that you see here. Now, and if you look right down here, you see that right there, guys? It says recurring billing. So this is something that you want. You want to pick a product that has recurring billing. That means every month you're going to get paid again as people pay for their subscription or whatever the product requires. All right. So over here, we want to see this right here. But what we want to do is we don't need to fill out anything right here. What we want to do is we want to come down here at the bottom where you see this right here, skip the commission bump and go straight to the tools. So if we click on that, that brings us over here, and you got lots of tools up here that you can use to promote this particular product. But what we want to do is click on articles and landers right here, guys. So if I click on that, it says right here, come down here, it says custom PDF reports. All right, we click on that, and you can see right here that there are 3 really good looking ebooks right here that you can use for this particular method. Like I said, if you don't have ebook with you, there's a certain product in whatever niche you want to use, and you don't find an ebook for it, you can always come over here and find an ebook in that niche that you can use, or you can also use Scribble and create one automatically with any information that you pull off of the web as well. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to get this now. When it loads this up right here, we can choose any one of these. If you scroll down here, you can see right here it says select a report to generate. So under all 3 of these are right here. So it doesn't matter. We're just going to pick the let's pick the fascination fix. That's this ebook right here. You can see right here. And then so we click on that, and then we want to enter in our Clickbank ID or affiliate nickname, right? So put that in there just like that, and then we scroll down here. Now you can put in a tracking ID if you want, like free report, something like that, so you'll know where the click come from. And then this right here you don't need to worry about, but you do want to check this box right here, include a message at the top of the reporting inviting readers to share your customized PDF, which is optional, but I recommend you do that because of course you want people to share it, right? It's going to have your affiliate links already inside there. Now stick around, guys. I told you I'm going to show you 3 high-powered free traffic websites that you can market your ebooks on and drive traffic to your Clickbank or Digistore 24 products. All right, so make sure here if you're using this product that you check this box right here that you want to be shared, and then check the little garbage box right here, guys, this little robot thing. And once that's done, then just click on right here, generate your personalized PDF report here. And then what that's going to do is load it up right here in the browser, and you can see right here, and it says right here, can I share the report? Yes, this report was written to benefit everyone, so feel free to share it. That's why you check that box. You want them to share it. Now if we scroll down here and you look down at the bottom of each page, it's got our affiliate link right here in that, and if we click on that, for example, that's going to take them over, and it's going to bring them up, and it's got our affiliate link attached right to it there. As you can see, you may not be able to see it, but my affiliate ID is in there. All right, guys, yeah, and you can see that it takes us over. If somebody clicks on that link, takes them over to the product, and you can see that at the bottom of each one of these pages, it's got our affiliate link right here. So that's a really good ebook right there. So that's the same thing you want to do when you get your ebook, or either you get it off a free PLR or you can use Scribble, whichever. When you get your ebook made, make sure that you enter in your affiliate link from Clickbank. If you need to, you can just click on promote right here and make sure that it's in there, and click your affiliate nickname is in there, right? Account nickname. Click generate your hop links to get your affiliate link, and put that affiliate link into your ebook at the bottom of each page on the book. Alrighty, guys, just like you see here. Now, how are you going to market this? You got your ebook, you got your product, your ebook made. Where are you going to market this at? What you're going to do is come over to this site right here. I told you I'm going to show you 3 sites. This site right here is called Open Library, guys, up here in the address bar. It's openlibrary.org. You see right there? You can come over here to this site. As you can see, it's free to sign up, guys. Like I said, it's free to do this on any, well, the whole method is 100% free. Which, by the way, guys, let me stop you right here too. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what you want to do is reach down there below your video right now while we're talking about it. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Also, if you like this video so far, reach down there below and mash that thumbs up button and give me a thumbs up on this video as well, to help me out as well as the YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's get back to this here now. So you got your ebook. Now you're going to come over here to Open Library. It's free to sign up. Just click on sign up right here, guys, and you can just put in an email address, choose a screen name, choose a good password. Check this little thing right here if you want to get any news from them. Check the little garbage box right here, guys. You know I don't like these little captcha things, but you got to do it. Check it, and then click the sign up thing right here. Get signed up, and then come back, and you can get logged in right here. And then what you want to do is you'll find a link right here. You see where it says add a book. Click on that, and you can upload your ebook to this site. And why would you use this site? Well, if I come over here and I click on my similar web thing right here, and it brings it out off the side here. Look here, guys. When I scroll up, look at the monthly visits to this website. 2.8 million people, guys, come to this site every month to read ebooks and read books and different documents and things. So that's why you're using this site. That's one. We got the next one coming up. You want to come over here to SlideShare. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's slideshare.net. Come up here. It's free to sign up on this site. Just click sign up right here, guys. And then once you get logged in, come back, click on upload, and you can upload your ebook to this site for free. Why would you use it? Well, let's have a look at this site. As we look up here, monthly visits to this site, guys, is almost 140 million people come to this site to read documents and ebooks and infographics and things like that every single month. So that's why we use this site to upload your free ebook with your affiliate links right here. That's site number 2. Site number 3, guys, is right here. It's called Scribed. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's scribed.com right there. And this site is the same thing. You come here, click on sign up, and you can sign up here with your Facebook or Google account or with an email address and get signed up here, and you can upload your ebooks here. All you got to do is come over here to the little hamburger symbol you see right here on the left. Click on that. It brings this out right here, and you can see right here it says upload right there, guys. Click on upload, and you can upload your document to this site. And look right here, it says here, on this site reach over 90 million readers. On this site, if I bring out my similar web, you can see here, this one gets right now at about 80 million visitors per month come to Scribe to read ebooks and podcasts and all kinds of different things here. And look right here, your book will also be indexed in Google search engine and other search engines, thereby driving even more free traffic to your ebook where your affiliate links are embedded into that ebook. Guys, that is how you drive traffic to your affiliate products, really high targeted traffic to your affiliate ebooks and your products that are in these ebooks on 3 sites that I just showed you there. That's how you do that, guys. That's the method I had for you today. If you like that method, don't forget to reach out there and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my #1 way to make affiliate money, then you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see what's available there for you. Teach you how to make high ticket affiliate sales in whatever affiliate marketing niche you want to do it in. All right, and guys, also if you have any comments about this video, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. All righty, guys, I'm gonna let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.